All right, friends, let's make the California poppy today. Okay, so first things first, we're taking our little leaf stems and I'm spraying them with hairspray because I want to stiffen these bad boys up because they're really, really floofy and fluffy and they just like flop around on your flowers. So you really need to stiffen them up. This, I'm taking some tangerine colored felt. I'm laying out my thinlit dies and just measuring kind of how much felt I need ahead of time, just to make it easier to go through. So using my Sizzix die cutting machine and just rolling those bad boys through to get these awesome, super cool cuts. All right. I am doing a few different poppies today, so I've got 2 orange and 1 of my sunshine. So just to add a little bit more like fun and texture and dynamic, we're just gonna go ahead and add some pan pastels because why not? I mean, I know it's subtle, but honestly, adding just a little bit of color just totally helps just make your flowers so much more, better. To all intents and purposes. So I'm adding some extra depth and coloring just to the tips on my orange and just adding orange to orange and some more deeper mustard colors. So here's a fun tip. So grab your pliers and just yank and pull on that felt. It just totally gives it so much more texture because really who likes flat petals when you can have fun textured curvy petals? So the great thing about felt is that you could totally manipulate it. I like to use pliers, but you can totally use your fingers too. Pliers just give you a little bit extra strength. So I've got my little center here. I'm gonna go ahead and string it through, throw some glue down and just smush that bad boy up. And now we just have a nice little fluffy center. Poke in some more holes and we're going to start adding some petals. So it's kind of a bunch of 2 for the first 2 rows. And we're just going to throw down some glue and we're going to do like a pinching action on the bottom, and that kind of helps just to curve the petals up a little bit. So next little guy, 2 more petals going on, and we're going to do the same thing. So on one of them I try to kind of shift it to one side because we do have that 5th petal to put in and you don't want it to look awkward and weird like you're adding a 5th petal. So I definitely shift one to the side. So isn't that super cute and amazing? So let's do it again. So we're gonna do the exact same thing on all 3 of these. So, same old thing, smush, glue, super fun, super easy. I just love making flowers. It's just so relaxing to me. But honestly, it just gives me so much joy to, have some fun with it. So same thing, we're gonna shift 2 over and just kind of push the petals where we wanna push them. So yeah, easy peasy. Oh my goodness, aren't they so beautiful? Okay, so we did spray one side of these leaves, so we're gonna go ahead and spray the other side now because, one side is good, but you need really both sides to be a little bit stiffened. Add a little bit of glue, and we're just gonna leave these leaves right on the side and just kind of curl them around the wire. But do you see how wonderful and just stiff and lovely that they're just kind of standing up against that wire? If we didn't stiffen them, they would totally just like flopsy all over their place, which just makes them more delicate and it makes them easier to fall apart, and nobody wants that. I just love adding this extra texture, and these leaves are just so fun. It just totally completes the flower. So don't you just love these California poppies? So let me know what you think and when you're gonna make them. And don't forget to tag me and like and subscribe this video so that you can follow along for more fun felt flower tips and tricks.